Alright guys, I got the beam as clean as I'm going to get it. One of the things with this whole thing is I'm not building a show car. I'm just cleaning this up because I want it to be fairly clean when I assemble it initially, after I put a few miles on it where I can investigate to look, see if I got oil leaks or situations. But it's also increasingly becoming a problem here in Texas. We're getting these cars, pulling them out of fields and cleaning them up and finding that the beams are like rusting out on them. So I'll kind of show you an example of what I'm talking about. The place where I'm finding them rusted around here is down at the bottoms here. They seem to be rusting out, and so you know, that's crucial because it's dangerous. Your beam needs to be dead solid. Fortunate enough, this beam has got to be some type of aftermarket or something. When I bought this pan, it already had it on it, but it has the adjusters in it. And when looking at the adjusters, I don't see like that they've been cut like down in here and then added. They're I don't know, maybe they are, somebody did aftermarket, but I feel like somebody that does beams did it, so I feel comfortable with that. But looking at the overall beam on this thing, I'm not seeing any rot through. One thing I did find as a surprise was these two little weld marks on it. Don't know why they're there. I mean, I've never seen that before. I'm tempted to just like start grinding on it and get it off there, but then on the other side of it is I'm just going to put this thing in etching primer, shoot it with some black paint, and it's going to be under my car. I'm probably never ever gonna do like a super duper like detail of the car or anything in the future. This is gonna be a car that's gonna be driven, and so I just want some corrosion protection to try to make the beam last just a little bit longer. So now let's get this thing in etching primer. Let me show you what I just did. Sprayed this bad boy. It's in etching primer right now. Got the ventilation open, and I wore the Magic 3M mask to do it. So I let this dry really good. While it's drying, probably over the next hour or so, I'm going to go ahead and start dressing, cleaning up all of this stuff as far as the spindles and stuff. I think I may disassemble it and throw it all in the sandblaster. Then I also got to clean up all of this stuff here, the tie rods and stuff. But man, just baby steps. But I got to get all of it has to be painted today. That way that I know on Sunday, which is Saturday right now, on Sunday I can get it all assembled and on the car. That way the front, that part's done. Alright guys, I'm back out here again tonight. I'm down to just the steering box on the front for everything to be deep cleaned, etching primered, and painted. So I've got all of this stuff down here ready to rock and roll. I just painted the other side. I've got it all doing its thing, getting first coat, kind of tacking up on it. I'll hit it here again in a second. But yeah, this is taking, I'm only working like 2.5 hours a night or so in the evenings coming out here. And it's taking about 3 or 4 days to get this all tore down, deep cleaned everything, and get it all ready to assemble. Once I have everything completely painted and I know that it's cured for like a day, then I'll lay it all out like assembly line style. Clean up all the bearings, break out the books, verify the shims on everything, on the kingpins and stuff, and make sure everything is in good shape. And then yeah, we'll have the front end all completely reassembled, and then I'll start working myself way through to the shifter, and then getting the actual pedal assembly put into the bug with all of the cables that go to that. I have a new heater cable, so I'm going to pull that controller out, run new heater cables through it, and I got the little boots that go on the end where all the cables go out. That way it'll keep it clean in there once I clean them out. And then it'll be time to learn how to install the adjustable spring plates, and then throw a transmission in this thing. So feel like I'm moving along pretty good. Once this is all buttoned up, then I'm basically going to wrap it in plastic, scoot it way over to one side of the garage, and get back on the rag top over there. I've got a few more things to weld, and then get the thing down on the ground and start prepping it to get it in an epoxy primer. And then once that happens, then the bodywork starts. So till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody that's making it through the videos, and please give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and share it with your friends. Y'all take care. Peace out. Ooh, man, oh man, look at all these parts. It's about to go down, boys. It's about to go down.